If you want to create an intro for your YouTube channel, then just follow my steps. Open CapCut app in your phone, create new project. Now import the video and click text to add some text for your intro. I will add my channel name and you can choose any style. And the main thing is to choose the animation by clicking animation button. Apply the animation name with wipe right and set duration time to 1.5 seconds. And after that, now set the text by drag it. And finally, our intro is ready. Thanks for watching.